Okay, so having completed the task in the topic branch and pushed it to GitHub, you can now create a pull request to submit your work. So let's see how that would happen. So first we'll do it for Alice. So over in Alice's view of the GitHub repo, you can see that it actually knows right here that she has pushed an issue branch or a topic branch. And so this is a common enough thing where it gives you a little shortcut button here to create the pull request. You could also do it manually by going into the pull requests tab. So I'll just use the shortcut. So click that. And so here we're creating a pull request. And now we have some things to fill in. And they're here. And so let's look at how we're going to do that. So first thing is I said to make the title the exact same as the corresponding issue title. So notice it did fill in something by default here, but I believe that is the commit log message, which is not necessarily the same as the issue title. And so to view that, I'm going to try opening a tab, and for some reason GitHub doesn't want to work like that. So the issue title, I guess if I click this, hopefully it won't mess up. Add an About Alice page. Okay, so pull requests. Well, looks like I have to do it again. So add an About Alice page. That was the title from the issue. And then we're also going to add a comment, closes number, and that's the number of the issue. So in this case, it was Alice's was issue 1. So put like that, add, yeah, that one right there. Okay, and so we give it a little autocomplete just so we know it. All right, and so then we're going to set the reviewers, and this would be the team's QAs. So I guess since there's only 2 team members here, I'll just make each of them a QAs, and so and you wouldn't recommend yourself, so we'll put Bob in there. And finally, we need to label it with the appropriate milestone, and so of course that's going to be milestone 1, which is the only one we have at the moment. And so having done that, you can now press create. And so now we have a pull request here, which is also visible, to Bob. So if Bob goes into his pull requests tab, you can see add an About Alice page there. Okay. So now Bob also has a task. And so Bob, this is Bob's browser. He's going to go ahead and add his pull request. And notice again, it knows, because Bob has been pushing issue 2 here, it sees that. And so it's like, knows that he might want to make a pull request for it. So let's use the shortcut. And so did it ask me why this time? It gave ish2, which is not the right thing. Again, you need to take a look at Bob's issue. So Bob's was called add an About Bob page. I'll just copy that and make sure I don't mess it up. And then it's issue number 2, so we'll make note of that. And so we go back here into pull requests, and we can, again, use the shortcut thing here. And so I'll paste in that title, and then it was issue number 2. Okay, and so you need to suggest a reviewer, and so of course the other person on the team is Alice, so we'll suggest Alice as a reviewer, and we'll set milestone is milestone 1. Yeah. And so that should be good enough for that. And so Bob can create his pull request. And so now if he goes to the pull request page, you see we have 2 pull requests there.